Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is just a shout out and a box opening because I received a package from a good friend of mine, Michelle from Royal River Art. It's been kind of a crappy week and I come home and there's the UPS guy with a package and I'm thinking, I didn't order anything. And I seen it was from you, Michelle, and I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to open it together. So I'm so excited, and you're such a sweetheart. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to point the camera down so we can open this together. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. All right. Let's see here. Let me find out how I'm going to open this. I need to grab something, scissors maybe. All right. Trying to keep that covered. I've learned my lesson on that one. Okay. Don't stab myself. No, it's going to be the first time. Where is my, I don't know where my razor knife is. It would be a lot easier, but, yeah. Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay, there's that part. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I don't have this. There we go. Okay. We got this. All right. Maybe. Okay. Let's see here. If I can pull this up. Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Getting it. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay. What do we got here? All right. Okay. Okay, so I hope you don't mind me reading. Oh, let me put this up. I hope you don't mind me reading this out loud, Michelle. So it says, "My dear friend Christy, I hope this finds you well. I just wanted to send you a small thank you gift for all your kindness and your loving support. You are a real treasure and I appreciate you very much. I wanted you to have something pretty to keep your favorite things in. Your friend Michelle. Enjoy." Oh, thank you, Michelle. You're such a sweetheart. You're just awesome. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to get this off of here and we'll open this. Oh. Michelle, it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm lost for words, actually. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to show you guys. Let me see if I can actually get it to where you guys can see it. How pretty is that? That's absolutely gorgeous, Michelle. Oh my gosh. I thank you, thank you, thank you. It's beautiful. Wow. I appreciate this so much, and I will treasure it forever. Thank you so much. If you haven't seen Michelle from Royal River Art, she's an amazing artist, an amazing person, and a good friend of mine. And I will put her link to her channel in my description, and you guys should really go check her out. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Michelle. I love you. I appreciate you. And it's beautiful, really. All right, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Okay, so I'm back for just a second. I read her message on there, and she said, "Enjoy the cup." And I was like, I didn't see a cup. And then I looked in the box, and it was wrapped up in all this, and it kind of blended in. So, but I got one other thing from her. So, and it is a split cup. Yay! And I know that her and her husband made this, which is so cool. So I don't have one, and I'm so excited to use it. So thank you so much, Michelle. This is awesome. I have never had one before, so this is my first split cup. I can't wait to try it and see what I can do with it. So thank you again so much, Michelle. You are amazing. I just love you to pieces. And everybody, don't forget to go check her out. So give her some love, show her some love. She's the sweetest person and just an amazing artist. And her link is in my description, so go show her some love. All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.